Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not the UK uses Venmo. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought I would do a video on it to answer it once and for all. Before I get into the main content of this video, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever tried to send money to someone in the UK? If so, you probably know that it can be a bit of a hassle. There are a lot of different options available, and it can be hard to figure out which one is the best for you. In the United States, Venmo is a very popular app for sending and receiving money. It's easy to use, and it's free to download. However, Venmo is not available in the UK. So, if you're trying to send money to someone in the UK, you'll need to use a different app or service. There are a few different options available for sending money to the UK. Here are a few of the most popular ones. PayPal. PayPal is a popular online payment service that is available in many countries, including the UK. You can use PayPal to send money to friends and family, or to businesses. TransferWise. TransferWise is a currency exchange service that allows you to send money to people in other countries. TransferWise is often cheaper than using a bank or other traditional money transfer service. Revolut. Revolut is a banking app that is available in many countries, including the UK. Revolut allows you to send and receive money from other Revolut users for free. You can also use Revolut to exchange currency and to make international payments. So, there you have it. The UK doesn't use Venmo, but there are still plenty of other options available for sending money to people in the UK. I hope this information has been helpful. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you're looking for a good way to send money to the UK, I recommend checking out TransferWise. They offer a great service at a competitive price. When choosing a money transfer service, be sure to compare the fees and exchange rates. Some money transfer services offer a variety of different payment methods, so be sure to choose one that is convenient for you. If you're sending a large amount of money, it's important to be aware of the exchange rate. The exchange rate can change, so it's a good idea to check it before you make a transfer. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.